Hi, I'm Candy from geekmamas.com, and today I am going to show you how to fix a stuffed animal. Maybe it's ripped in a weird spot. I do have other videos where it has easier rips, so I thought I'd do one with this monkey because it has a little rip in the neck, and I'm going to do it from the very start because a lot of people I know watching these videos haven't ever sewn before. So we're going to start at the very beginning. I'll also put in the description where you can fast forward to just the sewing part if that's all you want to see. But what I'm going to start out with is getting my thread ready and my needle. I'm using a regular, just a universal ballpoint needle and universal thread. So you don't need a special needle or special thread. And you're going to pull out about that much thread and you're going to double it. My grandmother always told me if you cut your thread at an angle, it makes it easier to thread the needle with. And I'm going to need my glasses at this point so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I did finally get it through there. And so what you're going to do is pull it like this, so you have it doubled, and then you're going to tie a knot at the end. You want to keep your strings together and tie that knot, and you want to make a big bulky knot because that's what's going to keep it from pulling through on this fake fur kind of mesh fabric. So I'm just knotting it over and over again. And you can kind of twist and pull too. Okay, so I've got like, where's the camera? a big knot at the end. All right, now we're ready to sew this monkey. So if you go on a cruise and you go to St. Kitts, they have these monkeys all over the island and they make a horrible noise. All right, so I'm going to repair him. All right, let me get up in there. So he's got a lot of stuff in here, so I'm actually going to take out a little bit of stuffing just to give myself some more room to sew. All right, I just took out like a tiny bit of stuffing. And we're going to make our first stitch in the monkey's neck. And I'm going to go from the inside. So I'm going to go inside here, and my knot is going to be on the inside, and I'm going to pull when you get here, don't jerk it out, you'll pull it out. So just be so I've got the knot right on the inside now, and then I'm going to loop the stitch over, trying to get the best angle here. So I'm going to go from the inside here. And once I get a hold of that fabric, then I'm going to pull it. Okay, and I'm not going to pull very hard. If you pull very hard, it's just going to come out. So I'm actually now I'm going to go from the outside, and I'm going to go at the very edge of that fabric, wherever I can catch it, and I went in from the inside. Basically, wherever you can get it is good. Okay. Oh, the neck is a very hard spot to stitch up. And now I'm actually going to tug it a little harder. You can see it going together there, and it's not popping out. I'm going to keep doing that. I'm stitching. It really doesn't matter at this point from the inside or the outside. What you're trying to do is zigzag stitch it through that hole. And I'm catching the fabric wherever I can. And you can see here, look, so that's the beginning. I'm going to have to go back and fix that, and that's okay. I'm going to re-stitch it over to make it good, but as long as you get a good first row in there, then you can go back and touch it up. You just try to catch both sides and loop it. So I'm working my way down the monkey's neck here. You can see it closing up. and I've reached the end, and it's all together now, and we're gonna do the tie to keep it from coming out. So for that, I'm going to do like a regular stitch, okay, but I've got a loop. My finger's caught. So I'm going to take that loop and put this through it, and then that's how you make a knot. And then you make a secure knot, just do it again, make that loop and pull it. All right, and then we can cut it, and then I'm actually off. I'm going to go back and touch it up, resew that little hole, but as you can see, our monkey's head giant hole is back on, so he can go back to having fun in the wild. All right, and if you have any questions, I do try to check the YouTube and see if there's any questions about the videos, and I also have 2 other videos on sewing up animals, so you can check those out for more instructions on different holes in animals and how to fix them. I have to fix a lot of animals around here. So thanks for watching. Bye.